So today we are going to be talking about the Fair and White So White with Vitamin C Tube Cream. If you have been wanting to buy this cream, you want to know how it works, you want to know the actual ingredients it contains, you basically want to know everything about this particular product, we are going to be talking about it. I've been using it for a while now and I have a lot of things to say. If you have gotten it and you don't know how to use it, this is the best video for you to watch because I'm going to be telling you the best ways to use this in your routine, to incorporate it into your routine. I'm going to be telling you exactly how this thing works, like, because I noticed that a lot of people have so much expectation. So I'm going to tell you exactly how it works. And being that I have also used the So White Vitamin C Body Lotion, I'm going to be comparing their ingredients list. So you are going to know the actual differences and if you can use this one on your face and body, or you need to actually get this one to use together. So these are all the things we are going to be discussing in today's video. If you want to get this, then this video is a must watch for you. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. I'm super excited to see you here. Thank you for clicking. Please remember to like the video, share the video, leave a comment. Have you used this product before? I would want to know how it was on your skin. Have you used the normal tube or this one? Which one have you used, or have you used both of them? Would like to know your experiences with this product because a lot of people don't drop comments, but they read comments. So your comment can also help people and me too to make better decisions while buying. We're a community of beauty lovers here. I'm not just here sitting and talking to myself. Okay, so please, if you're meeting me for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is here to make sure that you use the right products to get a very good skin, like your dream skin. All right, it's very easy to get any type of skin you want if you know the right way to go about things. And that is why I offer one-on-one skin consultation for those of you that want to talk to me personally. You want me to help you to build a routine, you want me to help you to arrange your routine, you'll be struggling with your products, they are not working, nothing, you are wasting money. Contact me for a one-on-one skin consultation. Okay, so first off, let me show you what the pack looks like exactly. So this is what it is for those that have not seen it up close before. Fair and White Paris So White with Vitamin C Skin Perfector Cream. This is a French and this is in English saying vitamin brightening cream, and it also has sunscreen filter, a very good one at that. We are going to talk about it. So let's look at the ingredients. Well, I would like to look at these ingredients while comparing it to this because as you can see, they are like the same range. This is lotion, this is meant for the face, but trust me, you can use this for other parts of your body. You must not just use this on your face, but we're going to get there. So now this has aqua water as the first ingredient. This has ethyl alcohol, which is an emulsifier. This has paraffinium liquidum, which is also an emulsifier. The third ingredient here is an ingredient hydroxyphenol, which a lot of people call hydroquinone. It's like a sister, mother. I explained this particular ingredient when I talked about this product in detail, but you can't exactly say this is hydroquinone. You can't also exactly say this is not hydroquinone, okay, because the brand did not specify that it is or it is not. But just know that this is a skin brightening, skin lightening to some extent, not lightening as in bleaching, no, skin brightening, skin lightening agent. This in the lotion is number 3, while in the face cream it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 on the list. So this now is going to tell you that this particular one is meant for your face. This one is meant for your body because the skin on your body needs more brightening ingredients before it can get bright. But because the skin on your face is softer, it doesn't need that much, but like before it can brighten. So this is a bit softer in as much as it's in a tube form and it can be concentrated, but this is just for your body. Now, some people use this lotion on their face and their body. You can actually use it on your face and your body. That is for people. I recommend this for face and body for people that have not done too much with their skin. There are people that from when they started using cream, they've only used like either 1 or 2 creams. They've not changed, especially when it comes to lightening products. No, they've not used lightening this, lightening that, whitening this, they've not used all of those things. So those kind of people now, because their skin has not, should I say been adulterated or has not been given a lot of things, if you use this, honestly, it is going to be good on your skin. It's going to be good on your face because it also has a sunscreen filter in it, so you can use it for your face and body. But if you're someone that you have history with lightening bleaching products, if you use this, it's either you say it's not working for you or your face is not working for your face. Do you understand? So normally I usually advise, if you buy this with it. But if you don't want to, you can also use this. I've explained people that use it. When I use this product, I didn't use it on my face. I did not use it on my face. I used my normal routine. At the point I didn't buy this one, I just got this one like 3 weeks ago. I've just been using it as a treatment cream. So that brings us to how exactly do you use this product, and in fact, what would make you to want to buy this product, to buy this tube cream. The very first reason that will make you to want to buy this tube cream is because you bought the body lotion. So if you buy the body lotion and you need a good face cream to use alongside it, this is your best combo. Now you're not using the body lotion, your body is okay, your face is your problem, your face is dark, you're having signs of dark spots, or you're beginning to see some dark cloud on any part of your face, looking like melasma, like it's not that very serious melasma, it has not really come out, but it's beginning to come out. You need something that will help to control that production of excess melanin at in particular places of your face. You can get this face cream and use it. Do you understand? Now there are two categories of people that use this face cream: people that overestimate this face cream and people that underestimate this face cream. Let's talk about the people that overestimate it. Some people buy this because it's in a tube. You think this is your typical Movet, this is your typical, what are all those names of those creams? This is not Movet. This is not Tempovet. No, that's not what it is. This is not a bleaching gel. This is a cream. It has the gel one. The gel one, let me show you how it is. So it's just like your typical cream, yeah? It's thick, but trust me, it's not going to clog your pore, because I used it even as someone with oily skin. I didn't get any reaction. Okay, so it seeps into your skin very just like a cream. It seeps into your skin and it dries out. It doesn't leave any greasy feel. It doesn't leave any oily feel. It's thick. When it comes to thick now, it is thick and it dries. It penetrates into the skin and dries out. So don't think this is your typical overnight treatment cream. This is a tube cream that when you buy, you just have it stamped like you. This is something you keep using. Then your result is going to come. It's not something you are going to use 1 week and you are looking for result, because as you can see, based on the ingredient list here, the active ingredient is number 6, and then you now have the vitamin C in number 7, number 8, number 9. That's where they have the vitamin C. Do you understand? So this has vitamin C, but the active ingredient here is the hydroxyphenol, which is not very top on the list, which shows you that this product was meant to work for your skin, but gentle for your skin. So a lot of people hear fair and white and they think they take the name literally, fair and white. If you just use it, you will be fair and then you'll be white. No, that's not, the name does not represent how the product works. This is a cream you are going to need to use and use and use and use to get a healthy result, to get a sustainable result, and to get a very good result. One of my problem with a lot of people is that a lot of you are not genuine with what you want. You will see someone that will tell you, oh, I need a healthy routine. I need something that will not harm my skin. I need something that will do. And then at the end of that statement, he will tell you, but I want to see results in 2 weeks. How does that rhyme? It's not possible. If you are looking towards healthy, you are looking towards safety, products that are safe, products that will not harm your skin, but still give you results. Remove time limit from it. You don't need that time limit, because if you are in that rush, you are not going to use a product that is going to work for you to a prolonged period of time to the point it's going to work for you. So what am I saying? This product is good, but it is not sharp product. According to the manufacturers, you can use this product morning and evening to face and neck. So they made this product mild. It is mild enough you can use it morning and evening. Do you understand? It is mild enough that you can use it morning and evening. But how to use this product effectively? Do not carry this cream and apply it topically on your face. Now, some people use it like that and it's good for them. And those are people whose skin barriers has never been compromised. Just like people that I described with this particular one. If you know your skin barrier has never been compromised, you've never been the one to use lightening creams, bleaching creams on your face. Honestly, if you get this and use on your face as your face cream, your face is going to be sweet. Your face is going to be yummy, like chewing. It's going to be sweet. But if you are someone that has history of sunburn, history of skin damage, history of this, like you've used a lot of things on your face, do not just carry this thing topically and apply on your face. Do you understand? You are going to need to use it on top of something. A proper routine. You wash your face, you use your face toner, you use your face serum. So if you are going to use this, I would advise use ceramide serum or niacinamide serum. If you are someone that has skin barrier issues, please use ceramide serum. If you are someone that has dry skin, please use hyaluronic acid serum or use combination of both before you go ahead and apply this particular face cream on your face. Do you understand? So that is the proper way to use this particular product. And if you're using it, use a little bit. Now, there are some other people that they have sunburn, like red sunburn. They also have some dark patch they want to treat. If you are that person, you can use this as a patch treatment. You must not use it all over your face. Do you understand? If you are someone that you are prone to sunburn and you know that you are also very outgoing, okay, you don't need to use it all over your face. Use it the particular place that you have issues. That is people that bought this cream for treatment purposes. That's why I said this is a multi-purpose cream. It can be used as a normal face cream. It can be used as a treatment face cream. Do you understand? So you are the one that know the reason why you want to get this product. Is this product good? Yes, it is good. Will it brighten your skin? It will brighten your skin. Will it glow your face? It will glow your face. The primary purpose of this particular product is just to brighten your face. So if your face needs hydration, if your face needs all of those moisturization, get it from other products. That is why you need other routine. Some people will buy this product and say, oh, my face is dry. This is not meant to hydrate your face. Use a face serum, use a face toner. Do you understand? Use a face toner, use a face serum. Those are skin hydrators. Then you now use this one. And then don't forget to use your sunscreen. Although I like the type of sunscreen they use here, they use a type of sunscreen that has UVA and UVB coverage. There are some products you are going to pick up in there. It's going to tell you, oh, it has sunscreen, but it just has one. It's either it's protecting you from UVA rays or it's protecting you from UVB rays. But the kind of sunscreen they use here is a type that protects your skin from both UVA rays and UVB rays, which tells you what? That if you are using this product, you need to be aware of sun. They know the reason why they actually put that kind of sunscreen filter in this product. So if you're using it in the morning and you know you're going to go out, please do not depend on the sunscreen filter here. Get an actual sunscreen to use after using this product. But if you are going to be indoors, then you don't need to apply sunscreen because the product already has a sunscreen that I believe can help you while you are inside the house to protect you from the rays coming in from your window and all of those things. So that is it for this product. As you can see, I've used a bit of quantity. So this is a very good brightening product, and you can use it other parts of your body. It's not just for your face. If you have dark armpits, if your neck is dark, there are some people that their problem is their neck. You can buy this cream and use it to do your neck cream. Those of you that your elbows are dark, you can buy this and just be using it on your elbows. Your hands are dark, you can buy this and use it as your hand cream. Do you understand? So this is a multi-purpose product that really, really works. But I'm making this video to actually bust your bubble and tell you that this is not your typical bleaching tube cream. A lot of people mistake this thing as, oh, because it's in a tube, then it's a bleaching something. No, it is not. The gel is stronger than this particular cream. So if you know you have sensitive skin and all of those things, I always advise to go for this to go for the cream. The cream is softer on the skin and it won't burn your skin. The gel can burn your skin if you have sensitive skin. Do you understand? Not burn like it can irritate your skin, but over time, if your skin is used to it, then you are going to be okay. So that is it for this particular face cream. This is a good product that you can use morning and evening, but honestly, I advise once a day to be on the safe, especially for people that have skin damage history. Once a day at night, that's what I recommend for this. But if you know you really, really want to get that fast result, morning and evening is still safe. Morning and evening is totally, totally safe for you to use this product. Okay, so that is all I have to say about the Fair and White So White tube. It is good, it works, but it is not magic. Okay, so thank you for joining me on today's own. I hope you enjoyed today's video and also dropped your comment in the comment section to let us know what you think about the product if you have been using them. So thank you. I'm going to see you on our next one.